Minister Matthew Pennycook.
The UNFCCC parties this week, the President rightly argued that we must halve global emissions by 2030 if we're to keep the goal of limiting global warming to 1.5 degrees within reach. Yet he will know that recent UN analysis makes clear that current national pledges will reduce emissions by just 1% by the end of this critical decade. We need the major emitters to do much more if we're to close the gap. That means deep cuts in American emissions and for Chinese emissions to peak by 2025, but it also means tangible progress on the part of India. With the Prime Minister meeting President Modi later this month, could the COP President tell the House what the UK is willing to put on the table, particularly in terms of climate finance and technological support, to help ensure India feels able to markedly increase its ambition ahead of the summit?
President.
Well, Mr. Speaker, I agree entirely with the honourable gentleman that, of course, all countries need to make much more progress when it comes to ambitious nationally determined contributions, those 2030 near-term emission reductions targets. I have spoken with large economies around the world. As he knows, I met with President Modi a few weeks ago, and of course we are working on a number of initiatives with the Indian government. When the Prime Minister does indeed go to India, I'm sure there will be further announcements.